Hi, I'm Marva and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. In today's video, I'm going to be using kitchen scraps to make something for the garden. You might be saying, but Marva, don't you already use kitchen scraps in the garden? Yes, I do use it for compost, but in today's video, I'll be using it to make a different type of food for the garden. Come with me, let me show you. Now, this video, I must tell you, is inspired by another gardener named Stacy. Stacy's channel is called Gardening with Stacy, and her garden is made up entirely of containers. It's very green and lush. I recommend that you check out her channel. Now, she uses kitchen scraps to make liquid fertilizer, and that's what I'm going to make for the first time. Liquid fertilizer is used on the plants as food. So I'm going to do that. So I've saved up some kitchen scraps in the refrigerator. And today I'm going to use it as I see Stacy did to make my liquid fertilizer. So I have my burlap bag, otherwise known as crocus bag. And I put it in this container. Here I'm going to put all the kitchen scraps in here. And I'm sure you want to know what they are. These are skins from yam and pumpkin. Got some orange peel in here, orange skin. I have banana skins, some lettuce, some callaloo. I've got fruits of all kinds, everything that comes from the kitchen. Everything except dairy. No meat, no dairy. I have beets and some paper towel that I use to wipe up the beets. Banana skin, yeah. So all of that goes in there. And she added, so I had to go to the supermarket and get me some. This is coffee grounds. 4 little coffee grounds in there. And now I'm going to fill it up with water and cover it. And this is going to stay for 3 weeks for it to break down. And I know I can keep adding scraps to it. And I'll show you what happens after 3 weeks. Water in here. There's avocado in there too. Yeah, so this is my first attempt at making liquid fertilizer. Close it up and cover it up. This is food for the garden. I'm gonna let you see what happens from time to time. And then after 3 weeks, I'll strain out the water, use it in the garden, and continue the process. I have a second bucket as well. So this is my liquid fertilizer, and I hail up, shout out to Stacy from Gardening with Stacy. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time on the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.